so cold. No one was expecting that snowstorm.
I'm never going out there again. I'm sure I saw a polar bear.
Have some cocoa. It'll warm you up.
I wish I had time. I have so much homework to do. Oh no, my homework is covered with snow.
This might take a while to defrost.
I'll go get the hairdryer. I really need those pens.
Not so fast, Sammy. I have an idea, and it's really cool. Let's go.
A cool idea? Then I'm in.
We're going to make a desk organizer to help you with your homework, Sammy. Here I've marked out the folding lines to keep working with the cardboard.
Whoa! It looks pretty good. Can't wait to see the result.
Then I'll keep going. Great job. Now we need to make some cuts. And I'm speeding up. Could you grab a glue, Sammy?
Already on it, Sue.
Thank you. That's why we make a great team. It's like we can finish each other's...
Sandwiches! Wait, that's not what you meant, is it?
No. And anyway, where's my sandwich? Fine. You can make it later. We need to fold these pieces of cardboard. It's actually really easy. Look!
Hey, this is like an accordion.
Yeah, I suppose it is.
Ah, Paris. I miss it so much. The Seine, the Eiffel Tower.
Don't forget the pastries, Sam. They're yummy. Croissants and all that, you know. This talk is making me hungry. I need to focus.
I've got more cardboard, Sue. Watch out!
Just like I planned. Everything was under control, but I have no idea how you did that. Although I'm not complaining. Now we need to close it over.
I've got it! Whoa! It's fighting back, Sue!
Hey, you did it, Sammy. Nice work.
I'm just happy I could help.
What's next? We'll need drawers to store your ribbons and string in.
I have no idea what you're talking about. I have a unique filing system in place.
Are you completely sure about that, Sammy?
Now that you've mentioned it, it might be a little outdated.
Well, this thing I'm working on will solve everything. We need to cut this cardboard out, and then we can start assembling it. All done.
Sam the Builder is here to help. Alrighty, let's see. Check this out, Sue.
Why, thank you. This is great. I suppose it was a tough one. How much do I owe you, Mr. Builder? We need a few more of these.
I'm way ahead of you, Sue. Take your cardboard boxes. And they're all just for a hug today.
Wow, Sam, that saved us so much time.
Builder Sam, no job is too big or too small for us. Call now for a free cardboard, quote.
Wow, that sounded like an interesting offer. I didn't know that you're doing advertisements now.
Well, yeah. To start a business, you have to get your name out there.
And another part of the organizer is complete. I really like how it came out.
Aren't you forgetting something? You still have to pay.
I'll happily hug you, Sammy.
I've got so much homework to do. Where do I start? Okay, you can do this, Sam. Concentrate.
Are you okay, Sammy?
I'm not going to lie, Sue. I've been better. Ouch, thanks.
Let's make something to store all these notes.
I think that's probably a good idea. Oh, I'm feeling like I just waxed off my eyebrows.
Well, looking good isn't easy, Sammy. Can you cut a hole in the top of this piece? And I will make more boxes.
Of course, Sue. Anything's better than dealing with homework. All done.
Nice try, Sammy. You still need to do your homework. Let's see if it works. It's the perfect fit. Now we need to glue these all together. Be careful and don't glue your fingers to the boxes. Not just yet, Sammy. We're kind of busy here, remember? And it's not a board game. It's for your sticky notes. I think it looks great.
This pen is done. I need another one.
What on earth? Hey, Sammy, what are you doing?
Sorry, Sue. I've got too many stationery. Don't know where to put it.
I think I can help with that. We just need something to hold them together. And this shiny buddy will help us. Now let's fold it carefully, like this.
Hey, that's strange. I was following your lead, but I still made something different.
Now we need to make some more boxes. Here we go. I think that's enough.
Yay! Now I can put my markers inside. Here, give it a try.
There you go. And here's one more.
Sue, can you maybe do my homework for me?
No way. I'm not falling for that again.
Oh. How can one little pink slime have so much homework? Uh-oh. Avalanche! Save me, Sue!
Sammy, are you okay?
I thought I was a goner. Thanks, Sue!
We need to make something to keep all your paperwork neat. And I know just what to do. Voila!
I knew I could count on you, Sue.
We need to fold this in half, just like a pizza box.
I wish there was pizza in there.
We need some glue, Sammy. Can you do the honors?
Well, of course. I'm always here to help. All done, Susie.
You're like a gluing machine. You never let me down. And I love working with you together.
Hold all of my paperwork.
You're right. We need a few more. Also, let's make them more sturdy. This cardboard should do the job. We'll have to put a piece inside the wallet.
I can do this. This needs a delicate slime touch. I'm done with mine.
Well done. I couldn't have done it better myself. And this is the last piece. We've got everything we need for the organizer.
Yay! Now we just have to put it all together.
Ready to do this, Sammy? It's gonna be so much fun. Just like playing with puzzles.
I love jigsaw puzzles, Susan, and you know it. So I'm in. Let's do this.
I think you'll like this one. Look.
What would I do without you, Sue? You're always there for me. Here we go. Great!
This will definitely help you with your schoolwork. And this piece needs to go into the paper wallet. Now, we need a fastener. Where's the Velcro?
Velcro? I haven't seen any Velcro.
Oh, Sammy! I want to add some practical decor. And something for the marker holder, too. There we go.
Wow! It's just what I need, Sue.
I'm glad, but it's not finished yet.
But what else is there to do?
Well, the cold weather sort of inspired me, you know?
Whoa! You know that Elsa's my favorite snow princess.
I knew you would like it. Now check this out. No more messy ribbons.
These are my favorite stickers. Could you put them inside too?
With pleasure. Oh, Sammy, this organizer is to keep things tidy. One last thing. And that's it. Sam's snow-themed organizer is complete. Now it's homework time.
I knew you were going to say that. Let's get this over with.
so warm and cozy?
Well, I'll see you later, Sue. Another school day awaits.
Sammy, you can't go out in that weather. You'll freeze.
Oh, sweet Susan. It's okay. The cold won't bother me.
What? What do you mean?
I've got my Elsa organizer with me, so let it snow.